Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal Hussain, content creator, Triangular Kamal Academy. Here I welcome to all of you in my academic regular class. In this content, we are going to discuss topmost MCQ from chapter 1 for the students of standard 6. And this is first chapter from arithmetic, which is natural numbers and fractions. So dear students, we will discuss here actually what type of MCQ usually comes in exam and which types of MCQ you have to do practice. So now let's see the first questions. Uh, the value of 1.09 plus 1.009 11.009. So this MCQ I think maximum student you can do, but you can start this math with giving the decimal here the first. I think then very easily you can do this math. Now 109, next one 1009, then 11 00009. Now easily you can find the answer here. When you can do one by one, if like 9 9 and this is 9 and this is 0. Now this is 3 1. So 13 0 999. So this is our answer number C. First we have to give the decimal and then write the digit after decimal and before decimal. So now let's see the next question, question number 2. Here the second questions, which one of the following digit will be placed in the blank box so that the number will be divisible by 3 and 9. So we all know a number is divisible by 3 when the sum of all digit is divisible by 3. A number of divisible by 9 when the sum of all digit is divisible by 9. So here if we find the sum of all digit like 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So here the sum is 28. So now if we give a number 8 in the blank box, then there will be 8 added. So now this is 36. So 36 is both divisible by 3 and it also divisible. 36 is also divisible by 9. That means if we placed here 8, that means the total sum will be 38, and which is divisible by both 3 and 9. So the whole number must be divisible by 3 and 9. Okay, this answer number A. Now let's see the next question. Which one of the following is the result of 0.03, 0.1 and 0.8? Okay. First step, we have to use the formula of BOD MAS, BODMAS. That means divide first. Sorry, this is the bracket, then of, then divide, then multiplication. So there is no bracket. We don't need any simplification. There is no of. Started with the divide and multiply. So first step we have to do divide, then multiply, then addition, then subtraction. So now start with the divide. Here 0.3 divide 0.1 divide 0.3 multiply 0.5. These types of maths, there are 3 divide here, so we can write divide means first step 0.3 divided by 10, and first step we can convert decimal number in the fractions. Divide 0.1 divided by 10, that means 1 decimal place, that's why we are dividing by 10. Divide 0.3, this is 10, and multiply 0.5 divided by 10. So all 1 decimal place number we can convert into the fraction. So now next step here, now convert divide into multiply, like 3 by 10 multiply 10 by 1 multiply 10 by 3 multiply 5 by 10. When we converted divide into multiply, then the next one divisor will be inverted. Numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. So now divide 10 by 10, 3 by 3, 10 by 10. The answer is 5. So now question number answer is 5. So step 1, decimal number converted into the fraction, then operation sign, divide converted into multiply, then the right side fraction will be inverted into numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. So now all are multiplication sign, then do the simplification. You will get answer 5. Okay, now the next question, question number 4. Dear students, here divide are given. Now 0.77 point and multiply with 10, 100 First step we have to do multiply with these three numbers like 1, 10, 20, 30, 4, 5, 6. So there are total 60, 3, 5, 6. So now here if we do now multiply with these two terms. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why do we multiply with 1 with 60? That means decimal converted into here. So now this answer, if we converted here the decimal, so 7.2200567. Now 1 decimal, 2 decimal, 3 decimal, 4 decimal, 5 decimal, 6 decimal. If we multiply with this number with 1 with 60, then decimal shifted this one place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, sixth place. That means decimal converted here. So the number become the whole number. So this is answer C. Dear students, now see the next question. Which of the following pair is co-prime number? First step, you have to know what is the co-prime number. This is one of the most important topic, co-prime number. In the first step, prime and co-prime, there is a difference. Prime is they have no divisor except one or itself, but co-prime number, they have no common divisor except one. Okay, we have to find the factors of 21 is 1, 3, 7, 21. These are the factors of 21. Now factors of 8, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 8. Now if we give attention, there is, okay, review another one. Factors of 10, 20 is 2. This is 4, 5, 10, 20. Now factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now give attention here. There is only common factor in these two number is 8. There are no any common factor except 1. There is no common factor except 1. But there is a common factor 2, 2, 4, 4, and there are three common factor 1, 1, 2, 2, and this is 4, 4. But we know in the co-prime number means there are no common factor except 1. So the only this number 21 and 8 is the co-prime number because there are no any common factors between two numbers except 1. So co-prime number means pair of number where there is no common factor except 1. In every cases we will get the common factor, like there is a one common factor 3, there is another common 3. So in the both case we see common factor 3. In both case we see here common factor 7. So requirement is there is no common factor except 1. So 5 number answer done. How many common factors are there in co-prime numbers? Definitely we have co-prime number, there is only one common factor. Now, according to the question 5, we can write the answer. There are only one common factors into co-prime number. Now question number 7. Here in the question number 7, which is the product of HCF and LCM of the numbers? HCF, what is the product of HCF and LCM of the numbers? Definitely we know HCF multiply LCM is equals to product of these two number, first number multiply second number. That means if we multiply these two number, we will get the same result whenever we multiply with their HCF and LCM. So now two numbers are 16 and 24, and their HCF and HCF and LCM product will be the multiplication of these two numbers. Now multiply 16 multiply 24, 16 multiply 24, we will get here multiply 24, and this answer is 384. So answer is C. So now that means we have to memorize the formula. HCF multiply LCM equal to first number multiply second number. Now next question 8. Here in the question 8, which of the following digit will be placed in the blank box so that the number will be divisible by 6? Another most important questions. For the divisibility rules of 6, a number is divisible by 6 whenever it's divided by both 2 and 3. So the number must be divided by 2 and 3. That's why the whole number is divisible by 6. This is the condition. To become the divisible by 6, it have to follow two steps. First step should be divisible by 2, should be divisible by 3. Then the whole number is divisible by 6. Okay. Now, the first step, divisibility rules of 2. This is the last digit is 6. That's why this is even number. Even. That's why it's divisible by 2. No problem. We can place here any digit because the last digit is 6. That's why its number is divisible by 2. Even number. Now, think how we can find it. Divisibility of 3. Now, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus blank box plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6. So, there is 10, 15, 20, 21. So, all sum is 21. So, now if we add here, this 21 is divisible by 3. Result will be 7. So that means their sum of the all digit is divisible by 3. That means the whole number, if we placed only 0, then the number is even. That's why it's divisible by 2, and their sum is 21 and it's divisible by 7. Is divisible by 3. That means answer is 0. In both cases, the number is divisible by 2 and 3. That's why the whole number is divisible by 6. Now, question number 9. What is the result of this number? It's like as previous math. Now, first step, convert this decimal number into the fraction. Then, divide 1 by 10, multiply 3 by 10. So, now 2 by 10, multiply. Now, divide, convert it into multiply. This one will be invertendo, then 3 by 10. Now, 10 by 10. This is the 2 divided by 10, 5. Final answer is 3 by 5. Is there any 3 by 5? No. So now convert it into decimal. 5. This is 3. Use the decimal here, then 0. And this is the 6 times 5, 6 are 30. Answer is 0.6. Answer is the, this is the 0.06. This is the 6. No, this is not answer. 0.06. So question number answer done. Now next question. Question number 10. Which of the following are the coprime? So already we have discussed these questions. Coprime number here 14 and 15. Here factors are 1, 7 and 14. Here factors is factors of 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. There is no common factor except 1. That's why this number is coprime number. So here common factor is 3 and 3. This common factor 2. There is a common factor is also 2. There is a common factor 5. So only the first number, the first pair 14 and 15, there is no common factor except 1. That's why they are coprime number. Number 11. Which of the following one will be the result of 30? Sorry, if 30 is divided by half, then add it 10. Intellectual question. 30 is divided by half, then added with 10. 30 is divided by half, then add it with 1. So now do here calculation 30. This fraction convert it into multiply. Fractions mean divide, so we can convert this one into multiply. Then denominator fractions will be invertendo. Divide, converted, multiply. This one will be invertendo. Numerator will be denominator, denominator will be numerator, then plus 10. So first step, do the work of multiplication. 32, 60, then plus 10. This is the 70. So answer number D is the correct. Now let's see the next question. What is the LCM? Question number 12. What is the LCM of the number 15, 25, and 50? Here we can write 15, 25, and 50. First step, find the prime number, or yes, this is only the lowest number which can divide at least two numbers. Here 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 10. Now again 5, 3, 1, then 2. So now 5 multiply 5 multiply 3 multiply 2. 5, 5 is 25, 75, 75 2 times 150. Yes, this is the answer is 150. Which of the following digit will be placed in the box so that the number will be divisible by 3? So we have said so many times. Divisibility rules means the sum of all digits must be divisible by 3. Then the whole number is divisible by 3. So 13 is 2. If we place 2 in the blank box, 1 plus 2 plus 3, in the blank box digit is 2. Then 4 plus 5 plus 7, 12, 16, 17, 18, 21, 23, and 24. The sum of all digits is 24, which is divisible by 3. That's his answer is 2. Now, what is the HCF? Question number 14. What is the HCF of the number 42, 48, and 56? So in finding HCF, first step, we have to find the common factors. Like here is 42. 42 we can write here in this way. This is the 2 divided by 2, 1. This is 3, 7. 48. 2, 2, 4. 2, 12. 2, 6, 2, 3. Another one is 56. 56. 2, 2 to the 4, and 8, 2, 14, 2, 7. I think there is only one time which, okay, now identify the common. There is 1, 2 common in every case. There is no any single factor is common in the every case, only 2. 2 is the common in every case. We cannot take any numbers like 3 here, here, and here, but not in the 56. 7 is only 56 and 42, but not in 48. So 2 is the common factor. Answer 2. Now, number 15. If the product of two numbers is 192, their LCM is 16. What is their HCF? In the previous math, we have shown here HCF multiplied with LCM is the product of the two numbers. Is the product of these two numbers. So product of these two numbers is product of first and second number. Second number. Product of first and second number. So now put the value here. Here HCF is not given and LCM given here 16. And the product is given here 192. And what is the requirement of HCF? So now there is 16 is multiplied with HCF. So if we convert 16 in the right side, this one will be divided. So 192 divided by 16. 192 divided by 16. This answer is 12. That is, this is 12. So now, what is the international system of the number? International system is very easy system. Just give the comma after 3 digit from right to left. First comma after 3 digit. Second comma after 3 digit. Third comma after 3 digit. So first comma for thousand, second comma for million, third comma for billion. So thousand, million, billion. That means 1 billion. Just there is very easy technique. Just comma after 3 digit, comma after 3 digit, comma after 3 digits. First comma for thousand, second comma for million, third comma for billion, the next comma for trillion. So there is no need trillion. 100 one, sorry, only 1 billion. Now information based question 17. The least number of 2 digit which is divisible by 4 and 8 is 16. So we see here least number of 2 digit is 10. And the number must be divisible by 4 and 8. So for first and second step, they are find their LCM 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, and this is 4 again 2, 1 and 2. So this LCM is 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 equals to 8. So next step here 10, the least number of 2 digit is divide by 8. So here 8 ones are 8. There is 2. Now difference of these two number, there is 6. The 8 minus 2 equal to 6. So now 6 add. Least number is 10 and then add with the 6. This is the 16. So first information is correct. Now give attention in the second number. The least number, the greatest number of 2 digit which is divisible by 4 and 8. So first step, find their LCM. LCM is 8. Now greatest number of 2 digit is 99, and this number is divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. There is 1 9, and 8 twos are 16. There is 3. So in times of greatest number, just subtraction only the remainder. So now 99 minus 3. This is the 96. 96 is the greatest number which is divisible by the LCM of 4 and 8. That means is divisible by 4 and 8. So this information is not correct. The greatest number of 2 digit which is divisible by 4 and 8 is 96. Now 360 is divisible by this number. First step, we have to find the LCM. And LCM of this number is 360. That's why 360 is divisible by this number. So third information is correct. So here 1 and 3. Second information is wrong. So now let's see the next question. Question number 18. So here, in national and international counting system. Okay, now make the relation here. Question number 1 million equals to 10 lakh. This information is correct. 10 crore equals to 1 billion. Okay, review here. 1 billion means 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 0 thousand, million and billion. That means 1 billion. This first comma for thousand, second comma for million, and third comma for billion. So this is 1 billion. Now in the local system, it one will be 100 crore. Okay, review. In the local system, first comma for 3 digit, then 2, then 2. Okay, now first comma for 1000, second comma for lakh, and third comma for crore. That means 100 crore. 100 crore equals to 1 billion. Second information is also correct. Now 10 million equals to 1 crore. We see here 1 million, 1 millions equals to 10 lakh. 1 million equals to 10 lakh. Also 10 millions equals to 10 multiplied 10 lakh. That means this is 100 lakh. 100 lakh means 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. First comma for 3 digits, second comma for 2 digits, 2 digits. So this is first step here 10 lakh. So only here first 1000 lakh, and this is now 10 lakh. So 10 lakh means 10 00 000. Now review this one. This information is not correct. Third informations here, 10 million. 10 million. This is 1,000. This is the 1,000, and this is 1 million. So 10 lakhs equals to 1 million. So that's why this information one, and third information is not correct here. Okay, review again. 10 million equals to 1 crore. I think if we write the properly, you can easily understand this math. Okay, just 10 seconds. Is there any mistake? Okay, 1 crore. First step right here in 1 crore. 0, 0, 0. Shade, comma, 0, 0, lakh, and 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, first comma 1,000 lakh, and this is the 1 crore. So now 1 crore is the 10 million or not? Okay, for the million, first comma, we can change the color here. First comma, second comma. Yes, this is the 1,000 and the million. Definitely, this is the 10 million. So 10 million is 1 crore. So information, first, second, third, all are correct here. First information, second information, third information. These three information is correct. Okay, now question number 19. Question number 19 here. Which is the following is the divisible by 6? Already we have done 3 maths in the same format. The number which is divisible by both 2 and 3. This is odd number. So that's why this is not divisible by 2. This is odd number. Last digit is 1. So this cancel. This is odd number. Definitely this one is cancelled. Only there is an even number. Last digit is 8, which is divisible by 2. Now find their sum. Their sum will be divisible by 3. All sum of the digit will be divisible by 3. That's why this is the correct answer. Now, according to the following information, answer the question number 20 and 21. The length of an iron wire and copper wire is 18 centimeter and 45 centimeter. What will be the length of the largest piece of the equal size cut from the wire? Definitely we have to find their ACF. That means keyword is the largest. That means ACF of 18 and 45. So this is the question number 20. Answer is largest size. So their ACF is 9. Okay, now find here like 18, 2, 9, and here 3 and 3. Now 45, here 3, 15, again 3, 5. So first step, we see here 1 common. This is 1, 3 common in the both case. So 3, another 3 is common in both case. So 3. That means ACF is equals to 9. Answer is 9. What will be the number of pieces equal in the wire of the largest size? Oh, this is from the copper. So now equal size copper means the copper given here 45. So now 45 divided by SCF. This is 45 divided by SCF. That is the 5. So answer is 5. 5 equal pieces copper we will get here in the maximum size. Now this is all over. Already we have done chapter 3, and this is the last content here in the chapter 6. So dear students, now in this content we have done chapter 1. In the previous 2 contents we have uploaded the MCQ of chapter 6 and chapter 3. So I think all about your arithmetic first chapter, algebraic first chapter, and geometry first chapter. You can practice these types of MCQ, and wish you all the best. If you have any question, please let me know. Inshallah, I will try to answer as far as your demand, and hope to see you all in the next classes. Wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum.